India has a dubious record, and this is something we should all be worried about, of having the highest number of road accidents in the world. Amit Saroha, someone we're featuring today, didn't have much hope after a horrific accident in 2007 left him with a spinal cord injury.
But he has managed to turn things around now with a little help from his friends, so much so that he is now an Arjuna awardee. Here's his story.
21st September 2007. Sonipat, Delhi Highway. One stroke of misfortune and a horrific road accident. An accident that altered the life of 25-year-old Amit Kumar Saroha forever.
दुर्घटना में मुझे स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी हुई। डॉक्टरों ने मुझे बताया कि आपकी कंप्लीट इंजरी है और आप कभी भी चल नहीं पाएंगे, पूरी जिंदगी आपको व्हीलचेयर पे ही सफर करना पड़ेगा।
Doctors did manage to save Amit's life, but the injury was a big blow to his dreams. Life was far from normal for Amit, but he didn't lose hope.
इसी बीच मेरी मुलाकात एक अमेरिकन लड़के जोनाथन से हुई, जो व्हीलचेयर रग्बी को इंडिया में प्रमोट करने के लिए आया था, और मैं खुद को बिजी करने के लिए उसके साथ लग गया और हम दोनों ने व्हीलचेयर रग्बी को इंडिया में प्रमोट किया।
The two together decided to promote wheelchair rugby in India. They also trained themselves in shot put and discus throw.
मेरे शरीर के कई हिस्से काम नहीं करते हैं, उंगलियां भी काम नहीं करती। शॉट पुट और डिस्कस के लिए इनको गोंद से चिपका के तब मैं थ्रो करता था।
Such was Amit's determination and perseverance that he amazed everyone with his outstanding performances at national and international levels. In April 2012, Amit made a new record in the discus throw at the Malaysia Athletics Open Championships and proved to the world that all one needs to succeed is a brave heart. Also an Arjun awardee now, he endeavors to continue to be a source of inspiration for all.
It's all about unleashing your potential. That's what today's Veers have taught us. So come forward and be a catalyst while they realize their dreams. Come and contribute generously. Remember, it takes just 7,500 rupees to train a person with disability. I bet this will be a real lifetime investment.
Veer. With the power to choose comes the power to reject. As a voter, now you have the right to cast a negative vote, rejecting all the election candidates. Network 18 presents Register to Vote in partnership with Fashion at Big Bazaar. Let's make India thoda aur stylish. Activation partner, volunteer for a better India.